Jordan Belfort didn't grow up poor. He grew up unsatisfied. From a young age, he wasn't obsessed with money itself. He was obsessed with winning. Not slowly, not honestly, fast. As a teenager, he discovered something important. People don't buy products. They buy confidence. It didn't matter what he sold. Ice cream, meat, dreams. If he sounded certain enough, people followed. And that realization changed everything. When Jordan entered Wall Street, he expected intelligence, discipline, and rules. What he found instead was a system built on commissions, not truth. Then the market crashed. Jobs disappeared. Firms collapsed. But Jordan noticed something others missed. Some stocks weren't regulated. Some investors didn't ask questions. And some commissions were insanely high. That's when he found penny stocks. Cheap, illiquid, forgotten. Here's how the scam worked, in simple terms. Buy worthless shares for almost nothing. Convince people those shares are about to explode. Sell before reality shows up. The insiders exit first. Jordan didn't sell companies. He sold urgency. He built a firm that looked prestigious but operated like a casino. Aggression was rewarded. Doubt was punished. The firm targeted the ignored ones. The system moved slowly while money moved fast. When pressure came, he sold information. He faced decades in prison. Instead, he served 22 months. Many of the people below him served longer. The victims got almost nothing back. But the story didn't end there. He wrote a book, sold the rights. Hollywood turned fraud into entertainment. And the world laughed. This isn't a story about one bad man. It's a story about incentives. When selling pays more than honesty, and when punishment is lighter than profit. When confidence matters more than truth, the system doesn't stop fraud, it selects for it. And maybe the most disturbing part isn't that he got away with it. It's that deep down, many people admired him for trying.